Welcome to episode 3 of the series. Now get ready because I've prepared some animations for you that I think you'll love. Take a look at this animation that I've made. This is what you could see when you're close up orbiting Jupiter. Now there's more animations I have for you, just hang on. Imagine getting to Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. With a planet that's over 11 times the diameter of Earth's, we certainly have to plan out what part of Jupiter we want to visit. Now prepare yourself for a journey of a lifetime. So how is this going to go down? Well, you'll be in a rocket of some sort, and you'll be able to see Jupiter through the windows. If that's a little boring for you, there's one more thing you can do. You can put on an astronaut suit and go for a spacewalk. By that I mean you have to have a rope connecting you to the rocket so you don't float away forever. This will require more effort, and the danger and risks are certainly higher than just staying inside, but if you are adventurous and willing to do so, then by all means go for it. I know I would. Just imagine being in a spacesuit, floating in space, and looking at Jupiter up close. That would be one of the most amazing experiences ever. One place, or should I say region, we should visit is the String of Pearls. See the white circles on Jupiter? These are storms, and they are called the String of Pearls due to the pattern they have. In order to get to them, we need to go to the southern hemisphere of Jupiter. With close inspection, you can see how beautiful these storms look. The pattern that they have is the main reason why they look so awesome. Keep in mind, this is a gaseous planet. We cannot land on it, we cannot walk on it, so that's the sad part. However, we are still able to fly over the planet really close. Now we can get close, but not too close, or the gases and the winds will swallow us up. I know it may seem pointless to visit Jupiter since we can't even land on it. However, think again. If we are in close proximity to Jupiter and you take a look at the planet with your own eyes, you'll be amazed at how much joy it'll still bring to you. You can stare at the planet for days and not even get tired of it. The gases are moving all the time, and so you'll see these clouds, if you will, move across the atmosphere of the planet virtually forever. Next place we should visit are the poles of Jupiter. Now let me explain why. The poles of Jupiter, believe it or not, has even more incredible visuals. Specifically, the Hexagon storms. Now, if we are only able to see past the upper clouds, we can see this pattern of storms clearly. At first, there were 6 storms, forming a pentagon shape with one in the middle. Now you should see 7 storms, as one storm joined in a very long time ago. The group of storms now look like a hexagon, with 6 on the outside and 1 in the center. We can't see Jupiter's poles from Earth, so be sure to visit them when you get there. The poles also have incredible auroras. When high energy particles from the sun hit the atoms near the poles, it creates these beautiful and vivid auroras. These auroras are more vibrant and have more energy than the ones on Earth, and they cover an area that is even larger than Earth, so prepare for a crazy light show. These auroras, which exist on both the south and the north poles of Jupiter, pulse in mysterious yet extraordinary ways. Orbiting near the poles of Jupiter during the night would be one of the most relaxing times in your life. Imagine being sleepy, lying on your bed, ready to fall asleep, and you see these colored auroras dancing along the atmosphere of Jupiter through your window. Man, what an opportunity that would be. Finally, the great red spot of Jupiter must not be forgotten. This massive storm is about 2 times larger than the size of Earth right now. However, it was many times larger than that in the past. It is orange-brownish in color, and the winds near the edge of the storm are over 500 kilometers per hour. Obviously, you don't want to enter this. However, if you are at a close yet safe distance, you will have a perfect view of the storms from space. This storm is slowly getting smaller and smaller, so be sure to give it a visit when you can. You will never know when the storm may fade away. As you can see, this planet is covered in moving gases. These motions are so satisfying to watch, you can get hypnotized by them. This concludes episode 2 of the series. Keep an eye out for the next videos in the series. There's going to be lots more I would love to teach you. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.